Here at Egro, we love high-quality coffee in the cup. Our mission is to guarantee excellent and consistent quality in the cup. The reason why we developed the self-adjusting grinder, a coffee grinding system that regulates itself with no need for a technical expert or in-depth knowledge like a barista. Let's call in our resident brain box to explain it better. Introducing Dr. Lab. Dr. Lab? Excuse me, Dr. Lab? Here we are. Now, what were we saying? A number of external influences beyond our control can alter the quality of the coffee in the cup. For example, climate and ambient temperature fluctuations. Coffee storage method. Type of beans. Fluctuations in the roasting. Machine use. Time of day it is switched on and off. Coffee brewing peaks. Cold versus warm. Wear and tear and state of the machine. So then, what does the self-adjusting grinder system actually do? A highly sophisticated secret algorithm maintains the quality of the coffee in the cup by automatically adjusting the coffee grinding process, with no need to call in a technical expert or in-depth knowledge like a barista. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Dr. Lab, would you play the video, please? Self-adjusting grinder. After each coffee brew, the software checks the grinding parameters and then adjusts them automatically based on certain parameters and an algorithm. The self-adjusting grinder mechanism opens or closes the doser grinders, altering the grain size of the ground coffee. The system can also compensate for excess stress caused by heavy workload or a cold machine, always ensuring maximum quality. Here are the advantages. The self-adjusting grinder comes with a specially designed motor on the upper grinder collar to optimize the working process. The grinders made of special high-resistance steel may over time suffer from wear and tear. The self-adjusting grinder system automatically compensates for this, avoiding the need for additional maintenance and technical support. This solution is a winning combination, both simple and immediate. Top-notch coffee delivered every time, no longer any need for manual adjustment. Great savings in time and maintenance costs. This fully automatic coffee machine sets new benchmarks for quality and reliability. Dr. Lab, what are you doing? Oh, I see. Time for a delicious cup of coffee. Thanks to our self-adjusting grinder system, we at Egro can guarantee you top-quality coffee in the cup every time, over the lifetime of the machine.